Hello YouTube, back again with another video. We have a Cornwell and Matco tool haul. Let's get to the video. So, some stuff I got from, most of this I got from Cornwell actually. Two things I got from Matco. We'll go do the Matco stuff first. I got this Matco hand impact 12-piece driver set. The reason why I got this one because the bits are warranted. I think it was $150. I think it was $150, but you check with that part number right there. How much it cost you. I got the Harbor Fry set because I needed to get a job done. Went to lunch, went to Harbor Fry real quick. I think it was like $7 or $10 around there, but the bits broke all at one time, but at least got the job done. So I wanted to get one set that was more sturdier so I could use these bits. Let's open her up. It has, actually, it tells you right here what exactly it has. It has T30, 40, 45, 47, 50, 55, Phillips 2, 3, and 4, and a 9/32 slotted 3/8 square drive impact driver. So there you go. It's really sturdy. Really smart. Actually, it's pretty stout. Tells you left. Oh. Well, it tells you which way to turn it. I think every time you hit it, you gotta turn it by hand. And then here's your bits right there. This comes out from here. So if you want, you put a socket, 3/8 drive if you need to. If you need to pull some socket out too. So again, 30, 40, 45, 47, 30, 50, 55. Phillips 2, 3, and 4, and the 9/32 slotted screw bit. So that is that for Matco. Again, part number right here. This one is ID12PBA. And then another thing I got from Matco that I've been wanting to try, and it's not tool related. It could be, but it's Quickbone. My Matco tool guy sells this Quickbone. He has a bunch of these, and I had a coworker that bought one. I actually liked how it worked, but like it's more for like heavy duty broken parts and stuff. We wouldn't use these to do temporary fix at our job. We don't do temp fix. But I bought this because, not tool related again, but my skull candies. These are the crushers. It's broken here. Oh, can you see? Right there, right there. It's broken. And I put super glue and it doesn't hold, so. Let's see how you can see it better. Right there. I don't know if you can see that. It's cracked right there. So I'm gonna put Quickbone on there. Let you know if it holds up better than super glue. Try different types of super glue. Crazy glue, Gorilla super glue, all this kind of stuff. It says repairs almost anything rock hard in 10 seconds. All ultra strong adhesive and reinforcing powders. I think it costs like $20. So you have your different gives you different sealing, filling and reinforcement powder black, Quickbone ultra strong super glue, filling and reinforcing powder gray, and then Quickbone ultra strong super glue. So, oh, 2 super glues. Yeah, 2 super glues and 2 different Quickbones. And then you have your paperwork. It tells you how to use it. No. Oh, here you go. All different ways of them using it. Briefly. I don't know what the hell this is for. Oh, this is to puncture it. That's probably what it is. Partly puncture the different fluids. So that's that. Now for the Cornwell stuff, bigger tool haul. AC is coming in. Don't have a can adapter. I always would borrow it from somebody, so now it's my turn. You know, borrow 3 times. That means you need it. I got a can tap. This one is the pierced for your all metal. So this one retails there. There's a little needle there. So if you have cans that are just straight metal, this will pierce through it. It's not reusable, not resealable. And this one, on the other hand, is for the self-sealing caps or cans. Sorry. Part number on this one is right there also. $11. A little more, $34. Part number for that one. That's the self-sealing kit. This one does. Oh, it's right here. This one doesn't have a needle like this one. Oh, right here. That one is just a straight little valve, kind of like a Schrader valve for your. And then it comes in a hose, so you could add some real quick with the little can. It's pretty neat. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I have a can here. Here's a 134A AC can. See how that one has a hole with a little red needle? This is a self-sealing recharge can. So you would use it for this. You use this for these type of cans. If it's just straight metal, like there's just nothing, you would use this one. So at work we have the straight metal ones, but when I do side jobs, I like using the self-sealing because I could reuse it. I could pop it off real quick, and it still will have some. There's some people that have had issues with these, that they don't really empty enough, or they are hard to screw in. I haven't tried this design. I have the adapter for this design, which I gotta find. I don't have it here right now. Somewhere around here, but yeah, there's a little kind of blue little cap that you would put as an adapter for here. A lot of people say that adapter, you gotta really put pressure on that adapter. I haven't ran into any problems, but yeah. So that's that. You know, your old socket adapter set. This is from Titan. Has the smalls and the longs. Impact rated. Bought that one for the for here at the house for my Ryobi. There's gonna be a unboxing video of this soon. Of all, I did a Ryobi tool haul. If I haven't posted that video, it should be. I'm probably gonna post that one first prior to this one. If not, just let me know. So, ain't any different, you know. It's for your impact driver. And then your longs. So we'll give these a go. Those are probably gonna stay at the house. Part number for these Titans right there in the corner. 12087. I think they were like 20 bucks or something. That's not that expensive. And then I got some gloves here. These gloves, I've seen them prior in the Cornwell truck, but I never really tried them, and he restocked these, so I tried them on and I liked how tight they were, so I'm gonna give them a try. They're super tight actually. I like how tight they get, so they're not in your way. They're really tight, and if you're a mechanic, I don't know about you, but I don't like loose gloves. I like them tight, so I could do stuff like when it comes to like taking a bolt off. You do it with gloves on too. I'll try these out and then I'll give you my thoughts in a later video, an update video. These were, I think they're kind of pricey. I think they're like 20-30 bucks, but don't get me wrong, don't quote me on that because I'm not sure. Here's a reorder number here if you're interested. I don't know if that's exactly the part number, but that's all I got. So yeah, those are these gloves here. Now for the cool big stuff here. I got these Cornwell double boxed in extra jumbo, I guess, bigger size box in ratcheting wrenches. I needed a 24 to do some suspension work on a big semi, so I saw these are on special for 200 bucks. I didn't pay $259. I got for 200. There's the part number there. Right there. CRWLF 2MSA. If you followed me, you know that I have the mountain box-in ratcheting wrenches with the spline drive like that. Those are awesome. Those are, I'll put a link in the description, or might put a card on it. And then those are sick. I got the SAE and the metric set. Love those wrenches. But I did need a 24. And since these were on sale, I decided might as well get them now since they're on sale. Look at that. It's a beast ass right there. So here's 22. Here's 21. Flexed. Not locking, but I don't mind. At least I could get to it. And then here's the 24. The one that I actually needed. And then here's the 27. And they have that spline drive type design, so for more better grip on rounded fasteners. And they, what's the 90 tooth? They are 90 tooth ratcheting wrenches. So that is that. And then for the house, or for the garage, or man cave, I got these Easy Red ratcheting wrenches, or ratchets. My bad, I don't know why I said wrenches. They're like 120 bucks. Part number there in the corner. Oh, you get your quarter, 3/8 half. By Easy Red. They're locking flex too. So thought it would be a good addition to the garage, so I don't have to keep coming back and forth with ratchets and shit. This could be stay there. Don't have to get any stuff from work and do work here. Ooh, it comes with a cool phone. Yeah, that's pretty sick, right? Oh, cord is missing. It's okay. It goes like that. Look at that. That's sick. This is sick. I didn't even know they come in foam. That's pretty dope. So there's your part numbers for your individual ratchets. Right there. Your 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4. They're 72 tooth, which isn't the best. I know there's 90 tooth and stuff like that nowadays, but 72 tooth would get the job. You don't need all that fanciness. Well, that's sick. Look, it's kind of cool foam. I like that. So they're extended ratchet wrenches, so they extend out. They're locking flex. Now they are thicker than your Matco or a snap-on. I got a snap-on ratchet, I can show you. So here's the Easy Red. Here's this regular snap-on, small snap-on. I got it from school. Flex, 3/8 drive, and you can see the difference there. The Easy Red's a little thicker. Matco one, I don't think I have a Matco ratchet here. No, I don't. But if you want me to make its own video of these Easy Reds, comparing them, using them, put in the comments below. I'll take a look at that. But yeah, locking again. So here's a pin here. You go wherever it's not permanently flexed. You gotta actually put wherever you want it, and then it'll stay there. Pretty badass. Extended. Let's see how long they could get. Your 1/2 inch, 13 set at 0.78 inches to 19.29 inches. Your 3/8, 9.84 inches to 13.78 inches, and your 1/4 is 6.89 to 8.85 inches. Pretty cool. Those are the Easy Red ratchets. Here's a 1/4 drive. Same dealio. And then the 1/2 inch. Big mama right there. Oh wow, pretty stout. So not the most slimmest profile, but if you want a slim, you could get like a slim Harbor Freight ratchet. The slim profile, put a screen on a photo. I think they're lifetime warranty too on those Easy Reds. Here's a limited lifetime warranty card. And that's about it. That's what I got for this week. Tool haul. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.